Welcome to Switzerland, a land where breathtaking landscapes meet rich history and vibrant culture. Nestled in the heart of Europe, Switzerland is renowned for its stunning natural beauty, from the towering peaks of the Swiss Alps to the tranquil waters of its pristine lakes. This country is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. In today's video, we're counting down the 15 top places to visit in this stunning country. Whether you're an avid hiker, a history buff, or someone who simply enjoys picturesque scenery, Switzerland has something to offer everyone. From the bustling streets of Zurich to the serene shores of Lake Geneva, each location is a gem waiting to be discovered. From majestic mountains to charming cities, each destination has a unique story to tell. So, let's dive in and explore the wonders of Switzerland together. Get ready to be enchanted by the beauty and charm of this incredible country. 15. Château de Chillon. Nestled on the picturesque shores of Lake Geneva, the Château de Chillon stands as a stunning example of medieval architecture. This enchanting castle, with its fairy tale-like appearance, has captivated visitors for centuries. Dating back to the 12th century, this fortress has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, serving as a silent sentinel through the ages. Its walls have stories to tell. From the days of the Savoy family to its time as a state prison, explore its imposing towers, mysterious dungeons, and beautiful courtyards, each corner echoing with history. Wander through the grand halls and imagine the lives of those who once walked these stone floors, all while soaking in the breathtaking panoramic views of the Alps. The majestic mountains provide a stunning backdrop, making the Château de Chillon not just a historical monument, but a place of natural beauty and serenity. Whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, or simply in search of a magical experience, the Château de Chillon offers something for everyone. 14. Bern. Switzerland's capital, Bern, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its well-preserved medieval architecture. Stroll through the charming old town, visit the famous Zittglogge clock tower, and don't forget to see the bear park where the city's symbol roams freely. 13. Zurich. As the largest city in Switzerland, Zurich is a hub of culture and commerce. Dive into its artistic scene by visiting the Swiss National Museum or enjoy a leisurely afternoon along Lake Zurich. The bustling Bahnhofstrasse offers some of the best shopping in Europe. 12. Lucerne. Nestled in the heart of Switzerland, this charming city is a blend of natural beauty and rich history. Lucerne is a picturesque city famous for its stunning lake and mountain scenery. The serene waters of Lake Lucerne reflect the majestic peaks that surround it, creating a breathtaking panorama that captivates every visitor. Walk across the iconic Chapel Bridge, one of the oldest wooden bridges in Europe. This historic bridge, adorned with beautiful paintings, offers a glimpse into the city's past and is a must-visit landmark. And visit the Lion Monument, a poignant sculpture that commemorates the bravery and sacrifice of the Swiss Guards. This monument, carved into a sandstone rock, serves as a tribute to Swiss Guards who died during the French Revolution. It stands as a symbol of courage and loyalty. The backdrop of Mount Pilatus makes it a photographer's paradise. With its rugged peaks and panoramic views, Mount Pilatus offers an unforgettable experience for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Whether you're hiking, taking the cable car, or simply enjoying the view, Lucerne promises a memorable journey. 11. Jungfrau Region. The Jungfrau Region is a must-visit for adventure lovers. Hike the trails or take the Jungfrau Railway to Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe, where you'll be treated to breathtaking views of glaciers and peaks. It's an experience that will leave you in awe. 10. Geneva. Known for its Red Cross headquarters and international organizations, Geneva is also home to stunning parks and a beautiful lake. Take a walk along the promenade, visit the Jet d'eau fountain, and explore the old town with its historic buildings and cozy cafes. 9. Montreux. Famous for its jazz festival, Montreux is a lovely resort town on the shores of Lake Geneva. Take a leisurely stroll along the lakeside promenade, visit the Château de Chillon nearby, and indulge in Swiss chocolate at local shops. 8. Zermatt. This car-free village at the base of the Matterhorn is a dream for outdoor enthusiasts. Enjoy skiing in winter or hiking in summer. The Gurnergrat Railway offers one of the best views of the Matterhorn, an unforgettable sight. 7. Lausanne. Home to the Olympic Museum, Lausanne is a vibrant city with a youthful energy. Wander through the Old Town, visit the stunning Cathedral of Notre Dame, and enjoy panoramic views of the city from the Auchi waterfront. Known as the adventure capital of Switzerland, Interlaken is perfect for thrill seekers. Try paragliding, bungee jumping, or take a scenic boat ride on Lake Thun. The stunning scenery makes every adventure even more exhilarating. Basel. This cultural hub is famous for its art scene, particularly the Art Basel Fair. Visit the Kunstmuseum, stroll through the beautiful old town and experience the vibrant atmosphere during Fasnacht, the city's colorful carnival. Grindelwald. A charming village surrounded by dramatic peaks, Grindelwald is a gateway to the Eiger Mountain. Whether you're hiking in summer or skiing in winter, this picturesque spot offers unforgettable views and outdoor fun. Lavaux Vineyards. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Lavaux Vineyards are known for their terraced vineyards overlooking Lake Geneva. Take a scenic train ride or walk along the trails, stopping for wine tastings at local vineyards. The views are simply spectacular. Arosa, a hidden gem. Arosa is known for its pristine natural beauty and tranquility. Enjoy hiking trails in summer or skiing in winter. The clear mountain air and stunning landscapes make it a perfect retreat for nature lovers. Finally, the crown jewel of Switzerland, the Swiss Alps. Spanning the entire country, these majestic mountains offer something for everyone. Whether you're skiing, hiking, or simply enjoying the breathtaking views, the Alps are a must-see. There you have it, our countdown of the 15 top places to visit in Switzerland. Each destination offers a unique glimpse into the rich history, stunning landscapes, and vibrant culture of this incredible country. If you're planning your trip, here's a recommended itinerary. Day 1 and 2, Zurich and Lucerne. Day 3, Interlaken. Day 4, Jungfrau Region. Day 5, Zermatt. Day 6, Geneva and Montreux. Day 7, Lausanne and return to Zurich. Thanks for joining us on this journey through Switzerland. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite Swiss destinations in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels.